Hi guys, my name is Arshal Gosavi and today's our topic is string in Java. So basically, the typical definition of our string is nothing but it contains the sequence of characters uh, is nothing but an string. So string is nothing but it is similar like an our character our array. The array is nothing but contain the similar data types, yeah, sequence of similar data types. The array and the strings are as similar as if we both relate each other. So in a string, uh, in an array, the array having integer data type and string having characters string data type. So this is a basic difference between array and our string. But on the basis of structures or on the basis of scenarios, the string and array are the as some as same. So in string there are two types of object creation is there. First one is using literal and second one is using new keyword. So first of all, before discussing when we discuss about literal and new keyword, before that we discuss one thing in presence of string is nothing but string is itself and class. So string having their uh, pre-implemented method also, as we know that in our basic class or in our general class, there are predefined data types are there, or non-predefined data types are there. Second one is predefined methods are also contained by our regular class, as and class having when we use in main method class, then we can create that object of that class, and then we can use that object uh, for fetching the fetching the details those are present in between our class. So this is our regular class. According to that, second scenario is that string is also called as string is itself as a class. So if the string is a class, then the class having their methods and uh, the class having their methods and their respective types. So string class having their predefined methods are various types of methods are there. If we see that the examples of our method is a length method, from that calculate we can calculate the length. That can compare to method, compare to ignore case method, upper case method, lower case method. What we can say next one is contain method, index of method, caret method. So when we using or when we uh, when we running a program or creating a program or write the program in our in our Eclipse, at that time when we use string, then these methods can be used. So these are the methods from which we can say string is itself as a class. So and that class having we know that the regular class, where in what type we can use that regular class by creating an object of that class. Same here in a string we can create object, a class, but in string there are two scenarios. First one is from literal we can create a string object, and second one is by new keyword. So these two scenarios are present in string when we create an object of our string. So when we create, first of all we discuss about what is literal. So when we declare string as example. String s is equals to Arshal in two braces, two double inverted commas, Arshal. S, this string s is equals to Arshal. S is nothing but an our literal. So this literal is first method or first type. According to that we can create a string, and this is the general whenever we using the string type, or whenever we using creation of our string, or initialization of a string, then literal type is majorly used. The second one is in by new keyword. By new keyword, we can take an example that string s is equals to new string, and in between that two brackets we can initialize our string, whatever our string has. So this from this new keyword we can also allocate an object for string, and we can use the string usually throughout our class. So what is the basic major, this is a basic difference of our string. What is a major difference between literal and new keyword? When the literal create an object, then SCP having, then that string having the memory inside the ACP. ACP is a memory block inside heap memory. So whenever we create string through the literals, we are having object in ACP, and whenever we can using new keyword, whenever we can create a new string, then it object create at both, as well as create object in ACP as well as heap memory also. But the that object or that reference variable will point uh, the string object from heap. It cannot point out from ACP. So and this in concern with only new keyword. When we create a new string from new keyword, then it allocate the memory in both areas, as heap as well as ACP. But it point out only the only the object which present in heap memory. Then that new keyword as object, from that we can create a string. That object point out at heap memory object only. So this is the basic difference of our two object creation of our string. Thank you.